Have you ever wondered if you could buy land in the United States while being a citizen of another country? It's a dream of so many to own vacation homes, investment properties, and recreational land in America, and many don't know how or if they can. In this video, we're going to answer the top 3 questions foreign buyers have about buying U.S. real estate so you can confidently invest in this popular real estate market. Can I buy land as a non-U.S. citizen? Yes, you don't need a green card, visa, or U.S. citizenship to purchase land in the U.S., and anyone may buy and own property in the United States regardless of citizenship. There are no laws restricting foreigners from purchasing or owning land in the country. Do foreign buyers have to pay extra stamp duties? Unlike places like Hong Kong, London, Singapore, and Sydney, there are no extra stamp duties for foreigners purchasing property in the United States. In fact, because of this, the U.S. is a popular place for investors to purchase commercial properties such as malls and shopping centers, and families love traveling to their American vacation homes knowing they didn't have to pay an extra 30% in fees. Who do I work with to buy properties in the USA? As a foreign buyer, you can choose to work with a real estate agent or deal directly with the owner of the property. It's important to always find a representative or company that understands your needs and budget so you can confidently purchase the best property for you. No one understands the needs of foreign buyers better than Elegment Land. Elegment works with all of our buyers to offer the best service in purchasing American properties. We pride ourselves on featuring high-quality land with equally high-quality information. You'll find full sets of ground or aerial photos, soil maps showing the quality of the land, GPS corners and boundaries, topographic maps, land use regulations, and in-depth videos walking you through all of the details. We also offer owner financing, making it even easier to find your dream property. Don't wait to invest in U.S. real estate. The perfect property is waiting.